Hey friends, if you wish to install and update your printer drivers in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Ideally, to update any driver, we go to the device manager, and so can we do it for the printer drivers. But specifically for drivers for printer scanners and cameras, our suggestion is different. We suggest to download and install it from the manufacturer's website. Now it may be an HP printer or an Epson printer or Canon printer. Go to its website. Like I have a Canon printer, and type the model number of the printer. Hit enter. While I have a 3012 printer, the series is 3010, so I will go to its drivers. Then I will download the drivers and I'll click on open. I will let it install on the system. Okay, and then I can start the setup. So this is how you can install printer drivers on your system. This is the right way to do that. And yes, some printers also provide CDs and DVDs. If you have a CD or DVD drive, you can do that. But these days almost all major printer brands have websites on where you can download the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.